what I have today. Glasses from LENSKART. This is the front. This is the back. And these glasses made by robot. Ooh. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. Get the best saving flat 50% off. Now let's unbox the main thing. One more coupon they have put extra 10% off. It's very hard. Yeah. Oh, this is one cloth to clean our glasses. And here is my glasses. Really great packing. Ooh. What? Like this and like this. But let's check it out. Wow! Please tell me in the comment section how I'm looking. Now let's close it. First, let me tell you why I ordered these glasses. This is not a vision glasses. These glasses are for blue computer glasses. Nowadays, friends, due to coronavirus, we can't go school. Then we are taking online classes on iPad, laptop, and phone. So I don't want to get my eyes weak. That's why I ordered these blue computer glasses. To be my eyes happy like this. Hope you liked my video. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays, and if you don't subscribe my channel, Iknoor world. Bye bye. Bye bye. First, let me wear my glasses. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, and don't forget to click the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. And one more thing I forgot. I like the quality of the glasses. Bye bye, 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 bye bye. One more thing I forgot. I didn't tell the price. 559. I will give the link in the description below. Bye bye. And this time finally bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye.